I want to explain the wheelchair accessibility in Busch Gardens and how it works. So when we went to SeaWorld, we've been on loads of rides and not one person's even mentioned it to us, and I was a bit arsey about it, which I wasn't impressed with. Me and Matt's had a chicken tender tower each. I am going to be doing a dedicated video to Universal on wheelchair access and how all of that works. Me and Dad's got the whole roller coaster ourselves! We're all on it! Welcome to the next vlog. Beautiful 30 degrees day today here in Orlando. It took us an hour to get to Busch Gardens, where we're going to be here till park close today. Well, they're massive there, aren't they? No. They don't look very old, do they? What you said? Okay, we're unfortunately shut out from here. As we get in for maintenance done before peak summertime. So just walking to the next ride. I want to explain the wheelchair accessibility in Busch Gardens and how it works. So when we went to SeaWorld, we spent all day just going on rides, just queuing up in the disability part of them. And then it wasn't until the last stop of the day that we had one cast member ask for a rider accessibility form. And we says that we've been here all day, we've been on loads of rides and not one person's even mentioned it to us. And I was a bit arsey about it, which I wasn't impressed with. So when we come to Busch Gardens today, when we entered the park, we went straight to guest relations and we asked about this rider accessibility because SeaWorld and Busch Gardens are owned by the same people. Funny enough, the woman at guest relations told my mum and dad that they don't really do that here, that she'll give my mum one anyway, but they don't really do it. And then lo and behold, we've been on 2 rides. The first ride we went on, they asked for it at the entrance and they asked for it again when they was just getting on the ride. And then we've gone to cheat the next one, and because it's over 35 minutes, a 40-minute wait in a minute, they've gave my mum and my dad a time to go back, and they write it on this piece of paper. Just funny how the guest relations woman says that they don't really use it here at all, but then the 2 rides mum and dad have been on, they've asked for it both times. I should say as well that I said about it to mum and my dad, you can have up to a party of 6, I think, to go on it, but we're taking it in turns in going on rides because of all our stuff. So at SeaWorld and Busch Gardens, you have to pay for your lockers. They're not including the park ticket like Universal. So basically mum and dad are going on first on a ride whilst we have their stuff, and then we're going on the ride whilst they have our stuff.
Do locker packages?
Yeah, you can either pay $3 per ride for one locker, or you can pay $10 all day, and then you've somehow moved the lockers. We've got to Iron Gwazi. Right, you better gonna go on it?
No, you got it first, 5 minutes.
You go on it, it's alright. I don't like the fact that locker rentals you have to pay for, but we do like the fact that SeaWorld and Busch Gardens, look, we're not, that SeaWorld and Busch Gardens let you film on rides as long as you have a chest mount or a wrist strap. So this camera's on a wrist strap now, isn't it?
Yeah.
It was a little bit shaky. Yeah, it's because we swapped from the gimbal that we've got to the wrist strap. Busch Gardens is also part of that 3-day park ticket that I spoke about at SeaWorld, where you get all your food included as well. So once you enter the park, it's every 90 minutes that you can have a meal. Also, me talking about the wheelchair access in Busch Gardens and Park, I am going to be doing a dedicated video to Universal on wheelchair access and how all of that works. I'm not sure whether that's going to be before this video or after this video.
So we're going to Iron Gwazi now. It's a 5-minute wait, so hopefully it should be straight on.
Yeah. This is the same as the mummy, but with a seatbelt.
With an extra seatbelt. Oh god.
Very hard.
went upside down.
Oh, you love it.
I can see why you didn't like it. Oh my god.
It's horrible.
I thought it was like a runaway train. I didn't expect a ride that intense from that.
What do you think?
That first drop, oh my god. You are?
It was good, wasn't it?
You loved it.
Yeah.
Never again on that one.
You literally feel like you're coming out, don't you?
It's
Like,
horrible.
that first drop.
Yeah,
It's horrible.
the first drop
Oh
was so
my
steep.
god.
Full on everything you'd got.
I was very tense, but
Yeah, intense stuff. I'd go on that again though, wouldn't you?
I think I would, but it is so fast as well.
Yeah.
How fast is it?
Yeah, it is.
I'm Gwazi. What a mean roller coaster. Hey Dad.
Brilliant. Yeah. Lots of twists and turns and
They don't look like the Disney skyline, that's for sure. What do you think about them? Like buckets?
yeah.
Look at the size of these tortoises. They're all up there as well. This is me a Dragonwell? Dragonfire. Dragonfire grill. Me and Matt's had a chicken tender tower each. And we're going to share a pineapple coconut cheesecake and a brownie. The tender tower was $23 each. And the pineapple coconut cheesecake was $8.39 and the brownie was $8.39.
Yeah, so really
Plus, we got a drink. I don't know how much they were, but I didn't see
Normally
the price of
about
that.
$6, isn't it?
$6, yeah, easy. So we're going to tuck in this now, aren't we? It's a really cool restaurant, isn't it?
It's lovely.
Like a theatre. Yeah, there was a show when we came in as well. Yeah, it's massive. I love it in here.
yeah, it's just great.
Yeah. It's the close to mine and Matt's meal. Chicken tender tower, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's basically fries with chicken tenders on top, cheese sauce and bacon. So this is the best sit down restaurant I've ever been in, isn't it? For a fast food sit down,
Food one, yeah, it's brilliant.
this is lovely. So themed. I was just said to everybody, 1 meal down, another 2 to go.
Please lift up on your
Coming back,
safety
we got
harness
straight
to
on
make
it.
sure that it is securely locked.
This is mine and Matt's second meal with our all-day dining. We had the brisket each, which was $23.29 with Texas toast and some barbecue beans underneath there. We've had a chocolate s'mores cheesecake, I think it was $8.39, same price as the last place, and so is the cookie. And also a drink each. So we're gonna have this now.
Yeah.
5 minutes says. Me and Dad's going on a sheep hunt. He's already been on it twice with Mum. Whilst they're waiting for us. Whilst me out at the smokehouse. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! driving on today?
That was great, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's really good. I'm a bit windswept. Oh, we got my ass for that.
Yeah.
We're not going to get any closer one than this. No. But it's eyes short. It's not good. Sleep. Dad's going on Falcon Fury. That's too much for me, that is. Tilts you forward when you get to the top and then drops you facing down. It's dropped in. There he goes. Dad's going up. They're being tilted forwards, facing the floor. You see Dad? I can see him. Oh no, even this is too much for me. He's got a big smile on his face. How was that?
Yeah, hanging up on the edge there, looking at the floor. Yeah, it's good.
I saw you.
Yeah, it's a good drop. Yeah.
You didn't feel like you were coming out road then?
Yeah. Well, you do when you're at the top and you're hanging. It feels.
Do you feel what's it?
It looks great. Yeah, great ride.
Me and Dad's going to head on Scorpion now.
Yep.
So there's a 5-minute wait time. Oh god, that was rough.
It's like an old-fashioned roller coaster.
Yeah.
Old-fashioned.
Oh gosh, some everywhere then. Yeah, that's gonna go on sheeping now. Said 15 minutes. Here, Dad. Jesus! Oh god, that's high up. That's high up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Another one now.
Good.
Enjoy it.
Yeah, good. That good.
How good that was.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, that's going on Tigris now. 5-minute wait. Being a straight walk on, won't it?
Yeah, straight on. Can't wait.
Is that the last one?
Good on.
Me and Dad's got the whole roller coaster ourselves. There's no one on it. There's no one on it. god!
It's not no personal road.
There's someone on it! Oh my god! Oh god! Oh, that's made me feel a bit sick now, that one has. That was made me feel a bit sick, that one.
Yeah.
You enjoy it?
Yeah.
I don't do that.
Good. Thank you.
Congratulations, you have caught your tigers.
Congratulations.
I don't know how to do that. Sorry.
Lift up with your comfort collar and
Thank you.
bar. Exit carefully to your right and watch your step. Thank you for riding tigers and have fun during the rest of your day at Busch.
Just got back and that's straight on to doing jobs.
Yeah, this fan's been on the list. We're running out of days to get stuff done now, so
Sadly.
sadly, yeah.
Just got back to our condo and we are going to end the vlog here. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget that you can rent our condo for your holiday. All of the booking links are in the description below, and we will see you in the next vlog. Bye.
Yeah, bye. See you next one.